Today we'll be learning the song Minuet in C, and this song is from ABRSM Grade 1 Syllabus 2023 to 2024 from List A number 3. Now we're going to put our thumb on middle C, and then we're going to play the C again, and then we're going to go step up D, E, F, G. Okay, and when we reach the second bar, you can see that you have activated your finger 5, but now we're going to play the exact same note and we're using our thumb. So as you can see this movement from finger 5, we're going to switch to our thumb and play 2 more times. Okay, let's start the 2 bars again. C, C, and up to D, up to E, F, G, replace with thumb first time, replace with thumb the second time. That's all for the first 2 bars. Let's add the rhythm in. We have a ta, ti, 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 ta, replace ta, and ta. Now I'm going to add the alphabets together as we play. Play along with me if you can. Let's go. C, C, D, E, F, G, G, G. Okay, remember to replace your thumb on the second G. Okay, so we ended on our thumb, bar 2. We're going to take 1 step up to A. We're going to fly to finger 5 on D, 1 step down to C, and then we're going to run starting from 4. 4 down to 3, down to 2, 1 step up to 3, and down to 1. Okay, so the last bar, we're going to start from finger 4, but if we add the rhythm in, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. It is a C, B, A, B, G. Okay, slightly faster run, a half count for that. Okay, now we're going to combine the first 4 lines together. Let's go. C, C, D, E, F, G, replace with thumb, thumb, thumb. 1 step up to A, finger 5 to D, 1 step down to C, and we go 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Now I'm going to do with the alphabets. Take it slowly. We're going to take it slow. Let's do it together with me. 1, 2, go. C, C, D, E, F, G, G, G. A, finger 5 to D, D, down to C, and 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Did you get it? Now let's move on to our left hand, where we're going to put our finger 5 on low C. Now we have our middle C over here. We're going to take 1 octave lower. We're going to put our finger 5, and then we're going to hold all the way. We're going to hold for 3 counts. So we have a finger 5 for bar 1, which is a C. We're going to skip up to E using your finger 3. Step 1 step up to finger 2 F, and then we're going to end bar 4, finger 1 G. Okay, we try one more time. So we have finger 5, finger 3, finger 2, finger 1. And for every of the note for our left hand, we are going to keep it to 3 counts. Let's try holding the note. Finger 5 for left hand, and we go. 5, and to go. 3, to go. Finger 2, and end. Finger 1, and end. We try one more time. Ready, go. 5, ho, ho, 3, ho, ho, 2, ho, ho, and 1, ho, ho. We're going to combine our hands right now. We're going to put our right hand thumb on middle C, and then we're going to put our finger 5 pinky on low C. Okay, as you can see, we're going to activate both C together. 1 is thumb, 1 is finger 5, and we go. 1, and then we're going to run up for our right hand. Now when you reach to G, we're going to activate finger 3 on our left hand. So finger 5 and finger 3 together. And remember to replace your thumb. Good. And then we're going to activate 1 step up, finger 2, 2 for both hands. Finger 5 right hand, 1 step down. And before we run for our right hand, we're going to activate our thumb on our left hand. 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Did you get it? 1, 2, go. C, C, E, F, G. Replace 1, 1, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Did you get it?